Hey, good evening, everyone. Welcome to a winter weather diversion going on here as bands of snow are coming in. Got a little lake effect going on. And you can see this is the camera over in Girard. It looks like a combination because it's hitting the pavement. It's melting there. But I just looked outside here. It's kind of a winter wonderland here at Jet TV. So let me get hopefully a good shot of what we are experiencing right now here in the Snowbelt, Summit Township, and a couple other places. We got winter weather advisories for everywhere except the lakeshore. And here's a shot at Erie International Airport. You can see that the snow is a lot lighter there. We already have the snow covering cars here. So let me see if I can get anything from the tower cam about 250 feet above my head. And you can see what's going on here. This is I-90 in Peach, and you can't see real well down to Peach Street, okay? Now, we're 250 feet up, so it's cutting through a lot of snow. Let me go over to Edinburgh and show you what they've got going. Not a whole lot yet, okay? So this band is just coming in, and I'll take a few more towns for you here live. Then we'll go to the radar. We'll talk about it. I'll catch up with your comments. Again, nothing in Meadville yet, and do a little Bayfront live for you, and then we'll go downtown. The next two will be Erie, and you can see it's cutting in closer to the lake, but the streets are wet here. So whether it's snow or rain or a combination of snow and rain, and we'll go over to St. Peter Cathedral here, and you can see the splatting drops or flakes right on the camera here, which is on top of the Renaissance Center, and you can see, little tracks in here on West 10th and Sassafras Street. So that's kind of the view right there. And give you a full meal deal view. I should have done that from the beginning. Sorry about that. All right, there you go. And I'll clip around so you can see that better. I apologize. So we got downtown, and we've got Meadville coming up next. And you can see nothing yet there. And then you got Edinburgh to the north of Meadville in southern Erie County. Kind of breezy down there. Folks outside the hotel and bar, not showing any signs of wear. But as you come back towards the lakeshore, where it is, coming down a little bit heavier, you can get this airport shot that shows light snow, wet flakes, very scant. And then where we are in Summit Township, I-90 and Peach, and all you can see down here are the car lights on Peach and some of the business lights. So we're into it. It's good to be with you. It's nothing you haven't gone through before, right? I mean, it's November. This kind of stuff happens. So hello. Let me say hi to you guys, and I'm going to put the radar on too, just because when I catch up with your comments, you will see exactly what's going on and why it is the way it is. So hang on just a jiff, and we'll do this and we'll do that, and then we're going to widen it out, and then we're going to add a Cleveland, and there it is. Okay, you can see this band coming in here, and just like the camera shows, here's the airport, Fairview, just getting ready to go into Edinburgh and eventually Meadville. Now, the interesting thing on this is that we had a rumble of thunder a few minutes ago up here. So there is some thunder snow in this too, which is always interesting, right? Just makes things a little bit good to see. Lisa Fogel, Bank of Banks, you're up in Minnesota. How you doing? Sherry Meter, I think you're in Florida. Much warmer than us. Celine at the airport. Are you there at the airport? Let us know. Tim Russell, are you in Arizona? So we got people from all over. Hello, Tammy. Hello, Haley. Hello, Linda. Jason, talking about the thunder snow. Randy, hi. Kim, hello. Penny, good to see you from Youngsville. Tim, I think you're up in Chautauqua County. Sam, long time. Welcome back. Same to you, Duke. Ian, you're in Pittsburgh. David J., balmy Orlando. So we got Florida people. We got Pam in Mill Creek near Grandview. We got Gary Thomas in Northeast. And yes, Haley, you did hear thunder. So that is cool. Adam Ripley in Waterford. Brian's by the airport. He says it's snowing pretty well there. Dave Sanders in West Springfield. Thunder and lightning and snow. You know, nothing to really be afraid of. I mean, don't go outside and stand under a tree with a golf club. But, you know, thunder snow happens around here. East 32nd. Thanks, Linda. State of Indiana, Kim. Good to have you here. Yeah, this is a lake effect event. Karen Connor heard the thunder snow. And Tammy says, yeah, it made me jump. Annie B's in Canadota Lake. Hello. Some rain and sleet there. So what's happening is the atmosphere is cooling with this snow band that's setting up. And the purple here are the winter weather advisories. Now, these are the areas that would get the lion's share of it, but we're talking inches, not feet. And Erie and Lakeshore is not in the winter weather advisory. So Barry, hello. Greenfield. Greenfield's in what I call the Bermuda Triangle of snow in Erie. And let me pop on a Buffalo radar here, just so you'll get better coverage out there. Excuse me. And we'll do a buff here just to get the eastern end of that right there. Okay. Yeah. This area up here, and you can see it's picking up the rain along the lakeshore, Ripley to Westfield. But watch it transition. The air is cooling as the precipitation continues to happen. That makes the temperature go down, makes the precip go from rain to snow. And yeah, I call this, you know, the Devil's Triangle or Little Siberia, where Greenfield Township is. They probably get the most snow in Erie County most of the time up here by Station Road and Greenfield Township. So I really appreciate your observation there. Fantastic. Thank you. Let me back it out a little bit like that. All right, just for a second. We'll get back to your comments, and then we'll go ahead with what we think is going to happen. Chatty Cathy from Youngsville, hello. Karen, hello. Carolyn Dixon, North Warren. And Jennifer went from Northeast to say, there you go, slippery. So that's why you get winter weather advisories. Smitty, are you going out plowing? Good to see you. Margaret, hello. Captain Sam, grapple. Love the grapple. It's very common in thunder snow, called snow pellets or soft hail. It's white, it's opaque, it bounces like sleet, but it's a combination of ice and snow. Sometimes called tapioca snow, or I like to call it Dippin' Dots snow. You know, the Dippin' Dots, that's what grapple is like. Terry J, what's going on over in Lawrence Park? Guys are great. Lynn, hello. Snowing in McCain. Alex in Mill Creek. Tim, you are in Arizona. I knew that. And 77 out there. I'm trying to catch up, and then we're going to do more of this stuff. Okay. Ashley Carolyn, good to see you. Julie M, hello. And Sherry Meter, tell us about how things are in the tropical rainforest down there. Yeah, well, congratulations. You made it through the rain and you're out of the snow. So make sure you keep the grass neatly trimmed, because I know it grows down there. Okay, Kim, thank you back. 50 miles from Chicago. Yeah, this is a lake effect event, so we're not getting a whole lot. Oh, man. Sailing away in Key Largo. Thank you, Josh. Michelle, good to see you. Sue, good to see you. Whites, hello. Julie G, Union C. Karen C. Thunder in fall, no winter at all. Well, how about thunder snow and you'll feel it blow? I don't know. I'm just trying. Kathy Vieira Songer, one of the best photographers around our area. Hello, send me a picture, please. Let's see. Eric, hello, and Mark. Bill in Albion. Holly, Youngsville. Great crew here tonight. Yeah, it did make everyone jump. Barry, good to see you, sir. Stacy. All right. Thunder shook the whole house. Interesting. Penny. Westfield. You getting some snow now up here in Westfield, New York? David James, hi. Haley Connor, yes. All right, good stuff here. George, hello. Matthew Tingley, hello. John Lewis, long time no see. Connie, thunder snow. Yep, and that's what we call it today. Good stuff. Hi, Nathan. Becky Linton, one of my best weather watchers, French Creek. She says it's blizzard-like. All right, hoping So for Bear on Saturday, yeah, you're going to get some good tracks. And you get a break day Saturday, and then the snow comes back, and the one Monday and Tuesday might even be stronger. All right, I think we got it. So let's get into it for a few minutes here. Talk about what's going on. Hello, hello, hello. And this is what we think. This is what we. Hello, Al. Hello, Duana from Sparty. Duana. Hello. Okay, so thanks, Deb. Yeah, you can see no matter what radar I'm using here, whether it's the Buffalo one or the Cleveland one, you can see it's not quite made it into much of Crawford County right now. So let's go back to graphics. Let's talk about what's going to happen here, and you guys feel free to lend me your comments, and I will try to answer them. Okay, let's start out by saying this is a winter weather advisory, nothing we haven't seen before. It's kind of similar to what happened over the weekend as far as where the snow will be, but it's a much shorter duration. So this is not going to go on for 3 days or 2 days. It's going to be out of here by tomorrow evening. So here's the advisory, and it's until noon tomorrow. That's when it ends. The advisory, the snow will probably linger. Nothing along the lake shore alert, wise, but most of the stuff south of 90. If you want to take it kind of like in text form, that's what we're thinking. Not much in Erie, I-90 corridor, and we're talking about getting up to the ridge there, 1 to 3. Edinboro, Corey, 4 to 8. Meadville, 2 to 5. Northern Warren County, 3 to 6. Warren City and South, 1 to 3. Chautauqua County, you know how it goes. You could get hefty amounts of 3 to 6 or 4 to 8 in Chautauqua County, New York State. So hopefully that'll help you all there. And Sis, good to have you from Fairview. Thanks, Judy Corp. We did have a winter weather show, and on Friday they're going to put it online at yourerie.com, so you can watch that if you would like. And we talk about a snow forecast. Pictorial form, the sweet spot, the lollipop, from central Ashtabula County to Edinboro to Corey to Jamestown. This is 3 to 7 with locally 4 to 8 plus. You always get these outliers. Corey got it on Monday. They ended up with like 10 inches of snow. Everybody else was like 3 to 6. All right. So it's a similar event, but it's more intense because it's shorter. It's a quick burst tonight and into tomorrow morning, and then it goes away tomorrow evening. And the snow amounts decrease. I know somebody was talking about Tidiute or City of Warren or south of Meadville or Franklin and Oil City. That's kind of the way we see it right now. Let's see. Yeah, Lori will get some good snow. Westfield, yeah, it should be coming in there. What else can we tell you? We'll do it with a map here just to show you, how this whole thing's going to, evolve and decrease, really. So, we're going with snow showers of varying intensity mixed with rain north of 90 at times, and that will cut down on accumulations there. This is through the night, quick hits, bands of snow, and then as you go into tomorrow, you see what happens. The coverage decreases, it becomes less dark blue and just, more nuisance flakes into tomorrow evening. And tomorrow night, it just shuffles off to Buffalo, and you set up for a very nice day on Saturday, at least relatively speaking. So it's a decent weekend once this quick hitter is gone tomorrow evening. And I'll give you another model's perspective here. Here's another one. And you can see snow bands, especially south of 90, into the morning hours. Then they fracture up tomorrow. This one taking it out more by evening, supper time. But regardless, it's gone tomorrow night. It's trying to break out on Saturday. And that's kind of cool. That's kind of good. All right. Other questions, comments, ideas? Jennifer Martin, the baker, the donut maker. How are you? Nikki Carter, are you? Oh, you're by them all. Eric, good to see you here. Yeah, by Sunday, we're probably going to get some showers developing. But take heart, you snow freaks. This is our gobble snow. It's not for Thanksgiving Day, thankfully. This timing is really good. As you can see, we're going to have another event here early week. So this is like Monday into Tuesday. So if you're traveling early, that's the time to watch, because there is the potential, as we say, of some, more snow, maybe difficult travel. And it's right in here. Okay. So you can, you get rid of this tomorrow night. You get a decent day Saturday, temperatures jump, then some afternoon rain on Sunday, going to snow with more accumulations here. This air is a little bit colder. So whatever we get tonight into tomorrow night, it could be more Monday into Tuesday. But for now, the way things look, that busiest travel day of the year, Wednesday, looks good around here anyway. And Thanksgiving Day, Thursday, also looks pretty decent. So I think the timing's pretty good for most of us. I'm working Thanksgiving and Friday, so it doesn't matter to me. All right. So any comments, questions, things for good of the order? Thanks, Jane, for that. And that's what you'll have, because this is a heavy, wet snow, right? So let me make that a little bigger. Heavy, wet snow makes better snowman, but causes power outages because, it's heavy and wet. So I appreciate that. Hope I answered your question, Sue. Smitty wants to plow. Hey, Celine, are you working tonight? Are you measuring snow at the airport? Let me know. And of course, we'll be back later tonight for those of you who don't turn into a pumpkin at midnight, because we'll do the winter weather, or the weather nightcap. And Brenda Fogel, good to see you. Tim, thanks for sharing your weather from where are you? Wickenburg, Arizona. And anybody else? Andy Steiner, thanks. Always good to hear from you, sir. And yeah, Jim Cantori hasn't showed up yet. Good question. Okay, so the weather diversion candle, this has turned into more like a weather update. We use this because the weather diversion is usually about getting away from bad news like the virus, the violence, the politics, and just chilling with weather. But weather's a little bit more concerning tonight. And as I said, we've all gone through this. This is not some kind of big freak deal. But we're here for you. And Julie G's got the snowboard out. She's going to be measuring from Union City. Please send me whatever you get down there, because that's a great place that works. Celine, the airport queen, we got to end with you since you are there. Maybe you can give us a wave, and maybe I can get a hold of this graphics package and turn it into a camera. So, and thanks to all the people that are, snickering at us. Now there you go. See, visibility comes and goes. Now you can see to the I-90 bridge. All right. But those of you who are snickering at us from places like Arizona and Florida, I guess that's why you go there, right? I mean, because you like heat and you do not like snow. So I'm going to change this up to the airporto. We're going to dive on over to the she shed of Celine, and which is just below this shot. So hang on. Help is on the way. And it doesn't look like it's snowing too heavily. Is it kind of a mix over there right now by the airport? In case anybody has friends or family, flying in or flying out. What the heck? All right. Let me dump this down. Dub this down. And you got snow on your roof. You got a little bit in the parking lot. Not bad. Celine's waiting for the next flight. Hello, Celine. Ooh, you got snow in the cars there too. So good stuff. All right. And you got to measure this stuff. There's one of their, it looks more like a turkey fryer, but it's actually one of their measuring instruments, right? And they measure the snow right here on the grass. So be interesting to see what Erie gets. All right, guys, it's been great being with you. You know the situation now. Thanks, Celine, and thanks all of you for giving me your reports. It's great to work with you and be able to update. We will be giving you more later tonight. Wet and heavy snow for sure. So it's slippery snow. Be careful if you're driving. All right. And walking. Okay. So until later on, thanks for being here. And if you can't be here later on, next time you show up, thanks for being here. So take care, be safe, be warm, and I'll be same Bat Facebook channel after midnight tonight. And of course, you can watch us on Fox at 10 and Jet at 11. All right. Thanks, everybody, for your support. Make it a great night, and hope to see you later. Take care.